Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in south-central Wisconsin until 8:45 p.m. At 8:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Monticello, or 8 miles north of Monroe, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Brodhead, Belleville, New Glarus, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Dayton, and Attica. People attending Monticello homecoming should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.